Hi, I'm Ben, and this is Max. Max, have you ever come across people who become so over-friendly so quickly that they start asking personal questions before you even know them? Yes, Ben, and before I realize it, they know my salary, my plans, and are offering life advice I never asked for.
Oh, I know exactly what you mean.
In today's video, we're looking at people like this and the words you can use in such situations.
Oh, my dear, I've come to see you here!
Oh no, not again.
To sing my song all day to winning your heart. Oh, please, not the gentle art. It's my gentle art! Oh!
Mrs. D'Souza, let me read the book, please.
Oh, come on, John, you should spend some time with me. By the way, what are you reading? Interesting. Why are you reading this? Are you sad? This looks like a sad person's book, John. You seem a bit sad, dear.
I'm not sad, Mrs. D'Souza. I just want 10 minutes of silence without a full psychological evaluation.
Oh, you're just shy. Let's talk about it.
Mrs. D'Souza, I am not sad, and I don't want to share anything.
Oh, but sharing is caring.
Mrs. D'Souza, leave me alone, please.
Oh my God, you are sad! Don't worry, I'll sit with you. Tell me everything from childhood. Start slowly.
What? No, I'm fine. No childhood stories! You're being intrusive again. This is exactly what I was trying to avoid.
Just funny, weirder.
Intrusive means someone interferes in your personal space or private matters without permission, often making you feel uncomfortable or slightly overwhelmed.
Okay, fine. Let's be practical. What's your salary? Any savings? I need basic details before I suggest suitable life decisions.
Why do you have a notebook? Mrs. D'Souza, you're coming on too strong. This is not a job interview.
Oh dear, I was just being prepared.
Prepared? It's a park date. Come on too strong means someone behaves in an overly intense or familiar way too quickly, making others feel uncomfortable or pressured in conversation.
Wait, I'm calling my niece. You'll like her. Very sweet girl, slightly talks a lot, but you'll adjust.
No! Please don't call anyone. You're being extremely pushy right now, and I don't even know what's happening anymore. Pushy describes someone who keeps insisting or forcing their ideas, opinions, or suggestions on others, even when the other person is clearly uncomfortable.
Don't be nervous, John. I've already told my family about you. They are emotionally invested now.
What? Okay, that's it. Mrs. D'Souza, please back off. This started with a book, and now I'm being adopted.
Don't be just family now, you're flustered.
Back off means to step away or stop interfering, especially when someone is being too intrusive, allowing the other person more space and comfort. Use these expressions to handle such situations politely, because real communication is about maintaining comfort while still being clear and respectful. And if someone still does not understand, remember this phrase, back off, and slowly walk away with dignity intact. For more detailed explanations, visit flairforwords.com, and if this helped you, consider subscribing for more real-life English lessons.